Yo, it's Kid J. Cold world. It's a cold world. Now you thinking about abortion. Why you fucking with no rubbers if you can't afford it? Bro, you been with your girl since like '06. In your mind, nigga, you like, oh shit. Acting like you didn't know shit. So lit, like you hit 4 splits at the same time. Now you thinking, nah, bitch, this ain't mine. Lost one, like some pictures that I can't find. Throw away my watches just so I can waste time. Now I'm thinking slinging gun hanging on my waistline, aiming for his head like we trying to FaceTime. Bitch, I got bars like I'm trying to FaceTime. Flow so dope, sniff it up like a canine. No giving up, I just stay calm. Hold you like I got 8 arms, dropping bombs with these lyrical napalms. I got Gucci, I ain't talking about Krayshawn. Plug it in and let it play on till the day gone. Now I feel alone, like I be Akon. Just gotta get it back together. Remember when we would laugh together and talk about how we was gonna last forever? We done that last forever. I never thought that this was never meant to be. Fucking with me mentally, whole world turned dark. Suicidal tendencies became somebody that I thought I'd never be. Evil in my eyes, evil in my mind. Took over by this jealousy. Fuck what people telling me. I'm in my own state of mind. Meeting with the devil, let him pick the date and time. Rapping, yes, I paid a rhyme. Rising, wiser than a nigga over 89 that read the dictionary 80 times. This shit so good, you should probably pay it twice. J's and Mike's, the definition of my way of life. Bitch, I'm staying fly.